Hi there! Today we are going to learn about second grade level Dolch sight words. Let's get started. Wood. W-O-U-L-D. Wood. Very. V-E-R-Y. Very. Your. Y-O-U-R. Your. It's. I-T-S. It's. Around. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around. Don't. D-O-N-T. Don't. Right. R-I-G-H-T. Right. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. There. T-H-E-I-R. There. Call. C-A-L-L. Call. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Wash. W-A-S-H. Wash. Or. O-R. Or. Before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. Bin. B-E-E-N. Bin. Off. O-F-F. Off. Cold. C-O-L-D. Cold. Tell. T-E-L-L. Tell. Work. W-O-R-K. Work. First. F-I-R-S-T. First. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. Goes. G-O-E-S. Goes. Right. W-R-I-T-E. Right. always. Always, always. Made, made, made. Gave, gave, gave. Us, us. Buy, buy, buy. Those, those, those. Use, use, use. Fast, fast, fast. Pull, pull, pull. Both, both, both. Sit, sit, sit. Which, which, which. Read, read, read. Why, why. Found, found, found. Because, because, because. Best, best, best. Upon, upon, upon. These, these, these. Sing, sing, sing. Wish, wish, wish. Many, many, many. Bye bye, kids. See you later. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all phonics videos are given below in the description box. Keep watching.